right, here in my backyard. Welcome to techglobemap. This is my spot in the world. I've been gardening in the winter. Got a lot of sunflowers. Half of them are already in the ground. And I got some ceramic flowers to water bees. And they're very pretty. They're very pretty to see around. It's very beautiful after the rain. It reminds me of Venezuela here in Windsor. Um, there's a lot of work in the garden. So, because it's very windy in Windsor, there's a lot of winds in Windsor. I must put sticks to help support the trunk of the sunflower. Um, and yeah, I was just testing this microphone just to be able to see how it's working. Uh, it's very beautiful. Um, I have no idea what to say really, because when I garden, my mind goes in blank. There is more garden all the way around there, in the house, and there are sweet peas and pumpkin. I love the flowers and how they fall. I was just listening to Joe Rogan while putting a few, and it's compelling. Compelling is the word of the week. It was the first week of the vibe. So you have the vibe. Sometimes you know ahead what is the vibe, what's randomly happening there. Well, it's compelling to listen to about the homelessness and what people do with the fraudulent government. So yeah, it'd be nice the organizations can talk about it as well and get to see the progress. So what would happen if it is heaven? Government wouldn't exist. So if we live in a heavenly perfect state, not against drug addiction, people can have measure for some reason. Some people just like to consume non-stop. And you're not producing that amount of money. Look, it's so beautiful. Like being in nature changes everything. Most of the world is beautiful and nice and just minding their own business. Well, I love my children to be here and get to have a barbecue and get to tell the stories. At least they go to university as well. And maybe they learn other things away from university. It's going to be up to their own choice. If you can study what you love to do, it's good, not because you need to have approval. But no one approves me because I don't have university degrees, even though I've been well studied as assistant of therapy for 14 years with meditation. It's a beautiful life when you're in nature. So, well, this is my therapy. I would never do this when I was younger. I would just rather go dancing. Um, Of course, it's good to have your political affinity to know very well what you talk for and why. And it is interesting how a guest can be with and against as well. But what about we helping organizations to have their focus to show the analytics that would help for the tech globe map to see the money of the government where it goes? We could use that same money to go out in outer space. So this is not to take money away from millionaires, but to invest also in people that are not millionaires and are also genius and very well educated. Um, the problem is that there is unbalanced. It is unbalanced. Yeah. So you just fuck to have a legacy and for pleasure, but you don't love anyone. You love your business. It's not like fusing beyond yourself and the other or something else in another life that has life to be shared and love. So, well, philosophies can be misunderstood. That's right. It has nothing to do with the reality. So I've been resting all day long. It was very strong this week creating this project. So I will need to refine it in these next weeks, if not a month, to refine it. And I don't have credit to get anything going. So there's just abusers to take from me. Yeah, that's all I got. I should be happy, right? No, I'm not. I'm happy because it's my life, but not about all this. It's not how it works. I